Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to share with you today the latest release from Diva Designs. I believe that this will be released on June the 1st. If there is any changes, I will have sort of a blooper up here because I'm recording this in the end of May. So first off, I think it's 10 products being released this month, and I have created I have cut several of these out, so I will have examples for many of these. So I think I will clear my desk and you can see what I created. So first off, we have this adorable die set with all of these crafty related stuff. I think the only one I didn't cut out is the glue gun. And this one is called Crafting Gnome Add-on. And I believe that this is the Christmas gnome. I think this is the one that this will coordinate to. So you can have this little gnome like holding his crafty tools in his arms. I haven't had time to play more with this. I'm hoping to get time later this month to create a project with all of these. But I cut them out and I had a ton of fun when I did this. So next up we have this die set. This is the Shabby Chic corset. And of course I did a tag out of this. So you can see here I used an older little tag set that was released, I believe, around January, February this year. And I just did some dangles here. You can see the back isn't that pretty. We'll see if I get to finish this on top of a project later this month as well. I just had so much fun playing with this one. So yeah, I haven't figured out exactly what to do with it more than I have. So that was just a cute one, I think. Then we have this set. This one is called Lace Border Bow. And I have created this one, and I also have another one on top of a project. You can see how cute that is, and that is the smaller one that I used. It comes with 2 different sizes in this one, so that is just adorable. And then we have this one. It's also one of my favorites, but I have played with it and I created with it. This is called Wedding Dress Shaker. So on the back side here there's another sheet. I can't share with you at the moment, but so you know, there is a piece that will cut out this part so you can create a shaker. And there's also this beautiful hanger. So I created this one, but I haven't figured out exactly where to put it. I could have it like a part of a wedding card maybe. So that was my thought process. And you can also see I cut this part out of vellum. So I could have that peek through so it looks like it's another lace layer. So cute. Can't wait to share more of that one. Then I have this beautiful Swan shaker set. This is the same idea. You can see you can create a shaker out of this. But I created a cute card. I did it like this. I will have a tutorial for this card later on this month. So this is an older sentiment set. I think it was released around February this year. And then in the background you can see this beautiful heart. That one comes from this set called Belly Band Duo. So I didn't use this as a belly band around an A2 card. I will definitely do that in the future. You can see here is another shape. So in the back here a heart shape is. But I had it like my focal point for this card, and I think it turned out so cute. You can see also I backed my wings on my swans here with some gold paper and tied it all together. So cute. I just love those 2 products together. Then we have this one. This is really fun. It's called three piece suit tag, and it's exactly what it creates. It has some pieces to the back of this one, but it actually, hang on, let me bring out the most clean one that I created. So this has this bow, and you have your tuxedo and your vest and your shirt. I believe you can say that. For this one I actually experimented about how to do this. So all of this is glued, and you can just use this as a tag if you like and write something on the back. But for my other ones I created these 2 as well. I will also have a tutorial for this one. I created a little dangle and the celebrate from an older set. I have a gift card here in the back, and the shirt is just loose. I thought that was cute. You can have this like a, not like a bow tie, but like so this turned out super cute, I think. And then we have this one with the tag. So you can write something on the back of this and just put it in here so the recipient can read it. So I think those turned out super cute. Small projects that didn't take too much time to put together. I really enjoyed making those. And then we have this one. And in the center here is a piece that my daughter actually have been taking, I think. I don't know where she put it. It's probably here on my desk somewhere. But what it creates is this beautiful, you can see, trophy. So you can see also the bow I created. I have some flowers that I created from an older set that was released this year. We have the flower leaves from that flower set that I am obsessed with. And in the background here we have a doily. You can see the doily here. So that is super cute. But with this one, it's called Family Crest Banner. So you can really create a banner. And this piece is super helpful because you will get your holes exactly the same like size every time. So that is super nice. And you can also see it here that Shabby Chic doily in the background. So I created another one that didn't go on a project yet. I think that is just cute. You can see it's 3 sizes actually in this set. So I believe this is the largest one and then this is the smallest one. So you can see for reference in size that it's you have a good variety between them. So last but not least, I created a large 3D project with this month's huge die set. So this one is 3D fairy tale gift box. And let me tell you, I didn't have a guide when I put mine together. Erica sent me a picture, but I didn't have it at the time when I created this one. So I free-handedly like put this together. So I hope I didn't butcher it too much. You can see here I have some swans on top of it, and this is large, you guys. You can see how tall this is. Let me give you a measure for this one. So it's like 7 inches with the lid put on like this. So depending on how you put this together, it could be a little bit smaller, a little bit larger, I don't know. But this large lid comes off and you can see the shape of it. It has this beautiful shape. I didn't decorate my inside. So it looks like this, very cute. And for the box itself, you can see how much stuff you can fit in this. So this is a huge project. And this is around 6 inches. And the width of it is like 4.5, a little bit more than 4.5, 4.25, 4 3/4, I think, if I'm doing the measurements right. And the paper around this, you guys, I think it turned out super cute. But I did a tutorial for my project. I just want to tell you, since I didn't have a reference picture when I started creating this, I might do this totally wrong, but you will get my idea or my version of how you can put this together. And I think that would be fun as well, so you get some more uses out of your products. And I think how great isn't this lid that it just snugly is put on top of this. You can definitely do this that you have the visibility to the inside if you didn't put the papers underneath this. But you can do it however you like. And you can see I took another piece of paper for these two because I wanted my swans to stand out a little bit more. Hope that makes sense. The other sides are more sort of decorated with a pattern paper. So yeah, I didn't have to do too much to them. You could definitely decorate the top of this. I haven't done it. I did this clean video, but I might go back before I sort of gift this to somebody and decorate it a little bit more, and probably the inside as well. So that was it for the products that was released this month. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I will have links down below for Scrap Diva's shop, and I will also have my gift or my coupon code that will give you 10% off the entire website. So don't forget to use it if you are shopping. That is really helpful. So thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time here. I really appreciate it, and I will soon be back with my tutorials for this month. Thank you again. Bye!